Hello my dear students, today we will continue the another letter G. Students, it is G. Capital G. Start below the top and draw a curve touching the bottom and further till the middle with a sleeping line. Then draw a standing line from the middle till the bottom. It is capital G, small g. Start from the middle and make a small C. Then go to the middle again and draw a standing line. Go down below the bottom with a small backward curve. Letter H. Big letter H. Starting from the top, draw a two standing line, one after the other, till the bottom. Then go to the middle and join the two line with a sleeping line. It is capital H, small h. Start from the top and make a standing line to the bottom. Then go to the middle and make a curve, region the bottom with a small curve at the right. It is small h. Next letter I. Capital I. Start from the tops and make one standing line, then make two small sleeping line. One at the top and another at the bottom. Nextly, small letter I. Start from the middle to make a standing line with a small curve. At the bottom, add a small dot above the line. Next letter J. It is capital J. Start from the top and draw a standing line to the bottom with a small backward curve. Go back to the top and draw a sleeping line across. Next, draw a standing line from the middle. Go down below the bottom with a small backward curve. Add a small dot above the line. It is small letter J. Next letter K. Capital K. Start from the top and draw a standing line down. Go back to the top and make a downward standing line to the left. Then make downward standing line to the right till the bottom. Next letter small k. Next, small k. Start from the top and make a standing line the bottom. Next, from the middle, make a downward standing line to the left. Then make a downward slanting line to the right with a small curve of a bottom. This is small letter K. Students, have you understood today's class? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Thank you.